Hi everyone, welcome to Excellence, the Varsity of Excel. Thank you for joining us in the journey of mastering Excel. Let's start. If you have not used Excel, start today. Let's create your first Excel together. First, we need to open an Excel workbook, either using the shortcut menu available on the desktop or the shortcut menu pinned on your taskbar or by searching by clicking the start. Let us type Excel here. Yeah, by typing EX itself, Excel is coming. We can click on it and open a blank workbook. This is blank workbook. Now we have a blank Excel workbook available. Suppose we are in a workbook where there is data and we need to have a new one. Just click on the file button and click on new blank workbook and a new workbook will be opened. This is a new workbook. Let us start creating a sales projection today. This is the first cell which is called A1. Let us type the header of the report. Sales projection year 2025. This is the name of the report when somebody wants to understand. Let us fill the header for the data. Month, region and sales amount. Month is January. To fill till December, either we can fill by typing or there's a feature of Excel where we keep our cursor on the right down corner. We get a cross sign. Just drag it. You can see. Press and drag it. It will auto fill down the data. Region. Our region is North. All this data is related to North region. Sales amount for the month of January we are projecting as 15,000 and we assume that there will be 5% growth every month. Either we can calculate manually and fill the data or we can use the formula of the Excel is equal to this plus again 15,000 multiplied by 5%. Just see the formula 15,000 that is C5 and 5% of C5 should be added together and that is a figure for February. So it's 15,750. If this 5% growth is expected every month, again we can do the autofill function for the next months. You drag it. See, this is calculating. If you see C6, which is 15,750 plus 5% of 15,750, and this is repeated for every month. If you see December, C15 plus 5% of C15. Now the projected sales figure for the North region is ready for the year 2025. Next task is to format the cells. If we see the data what is available here is not readable easily. Something is having decimal, something has 2 decimal, something has 4 decimal. So let us see how to format the cell. Just click here. We are already in the ribbon of Home tab. Go here. We need to click here more number format and go to number. We can use the separator and if you want to use decimal points we can use it or we can make it 0 and click OK. Now the number is formatted in the same way and looks decent and readable. Please make sure that you have selected the entire data which you need to format before doing it. Let us make our data a little fancier by inserting a table. Let's select the entire data together and go to Insert tab and there is Table section. Click on Table and OK. Now the data is presented in a table format which looks neat. If you don't like the table format and you want to change, just keep the cursor on it. You can see a table design tab. Click here and change the style. Let's have the total of the sales value here. We have an option. Just again click on it. Go to table design. Go to table style option. Just check this. So we have total amount is here already. If the data is presented in a chart format, it will be very easy for a presentation. Let us create a chart from this data. Go to the insert and chart section. Click on the recommended charts. Select the second option and click OK. Now this is a chart created from our data. If you don't like the format of the chart, We have the same option. Click on it, go to the chart design and select any of the options available here. Let us click it and see how it is getting presented. So this is a bit congested. We can change again. Go click here or click on it. Yeah, this looks little better readable. The figure is written here and looking better. So this is how the chart is created. Now let us make this report bit fancier by making the size of the header as little bigger. And if you want to put the company name, just drag it down. We will put ABC company, bigger font. And if you have a color pattern for the company logo or something, let us say our color pattern is dark green. We'll go and put the same color. So it looks nice. Now the data is ready. Now let us see how to print our workbook. Before printing, we can see how it will be coming on a print. We can use this area to see how it will come on a printed paper. Let us click on it, page layout. Now we can see this particular chart is gone into two different pages. What we can do is go to page layout. We have this particular option orientation. Let's make it landscape. Now our entire data is coming on a single sheet. Make sure that while printing we are not selecting the chart. If you select the chart and print, only chart will come in the print. So we are keeping the cursor outside and the chart is not selected. If we are happy with this particular layout and we are okay to print it, we can go to the file button, click on it and click on print. We have some features coming here. The printer will be coming like this and we can select the printer. We are having an option here, print only active sheet or entire workbook or print selection. We can do this one. And then if you want to give which page to which page, we can give here. We have only one page, so nothing to do. And already we have selected landscape orientation. If you want to change, we can do here, but it will come like this. Better to go with landscape orientation and the paper size. Now we are selecting A4 and if you want to set the margin, we can go here and set the margin, wide margin, narrow margin. Let us click wide margin. See, it's bit changed and we can use all this function. Once we are completely ready to print, just click on the print button. Let's see what will happen. Now printing. We need to save this file for the future use. So we have to go to again file button, click on save as, browse to which location, browse, it will ask you which location. Let us click desktop. Now we need to give a name which is easily understandable in future. We will put the name sales projection north 2025 and hit the button save. Now the report is saved and you can see the name is changed to sales projection north 2025. We go to desktop, it is here sales projection north 2025. Hope that you enjoy the section and you will be able to create a workbook by yourself. Stay tuned as we explore the powerful features of Microsoft Excel step by step. Once again, welcome to Excellence, the varsity of Microsoft Excel. Thank you.